thawing and rainy season repeated year by year. Pothole, the cause of big traffic accidents on the road. Now is the time to prepare for it. Pothole Emergency Repair Solution Speedro Pocket. Fast and easy with Speedro Pocket. Speedro Pocket is pocket-type pothole repairing containing non-volatile. Speedro Pocket is an innovative pocket-type pothole repair material that can be stored for a long time and can be easily and quickly used by anyone. Speedro Pocket can be quickly and easily applied anywhere and anytime regardless of the weather, rain or snow. Speedro Pocket is an all-weather porthole repair material which allows open traffic immediately after construction without road blockage and complaints. The Speedro Pockets have a mechanism in which the binder in the Speedro Pocket is eluted and stabilized by the compressive load of the vehicle passing over the Speedro Pocket. Pockets applied. The asphalt binder in the pockets expands and compresses by vehicle load, thereby forming the lower adhesive layer and the upper protective layer inside the porthole. Speedro Pocket can be applied quickly and easily without any restrictions on the construction environment.